Michelle, how are you? Leo ni Leo. Kuja, come here.
So, tuko Grammys ama hapa ni wapi? Bado tuko Grammys?
Ndio najaribu kubrainstorm kwa akili.
Tuko BET.
Hii Grammys upcoming artists sasa.
Oh.
Deko yeye alikuwa superstar. Michelle, how are you?
I'm good.
How are you feeling?
Feeling excited and nervous at the same time, yeah.
You're allowed to be nervous. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling good.
Kabisa?
Kabisa.
Stage
Thank you.
Stage yako.
Thank you so much.
Sawa. Yes. Now, will you sing something for us?
I will.
What's the genre?
Genre gospel.
Gospel. Yes. Nani anaoperate lights? Nani anaoperate lights?
Favor.
Tuzimie lights. Zima kabisa. Hata za audience zima. Okay, janipia ile feeling nataka.
Najua unataka tukue Grammys.
Asha tu, janipia Grammys but Michelle. Oh, you see? You did something there. Do it again. Now guys, I want us to psych Michelle and then we get into our conversation, right? Michelle?
Yes.
Take it away.
Thank you so much. There is none like you. No one else can touch my heart like you do. I could search for all eternity, Lord, and find there is none like you. There is none like you. There is none like you. No one else can touch my heart like you do. I can search for all eternity, Lord, and find there is none like you.
Sawa, Michelle, have a seat. Now, I want to move into our conversation and also talk to you. And Angel, have a seat. So this last thing I want you guys to do, mkona data, mkona Wi-Fi, right now here. Mkona YouTube,
Yes,
unaitwa nani?
it's Deco, D-E-C-O, it's Deco.
Deco, afungueni simu. It's Deco on YouTube. It's Deco on YouTube. Mumeona it's Deco on YouTube? Bado, it's Deco. Deco tumeona hapa, it's Deco. This is you. Uko na 2,800 subscribers. Congratulations. Mumemwona hapo? Subscribe. Just subscribe. Umesubscribe? Kuna mtu subscribe. Kuna simu hakuna. Ni sawa. I've subscribed. Sawa. I have a seat. Michelle, you said you were nervous. Huh? What was making you nervous?
I normally have this internal doubt, putting doubts. Am I good enough? How will people receive me? So I normally sing in the bathroom.
Okay.
Yes, am I in my private place?
Yeah.
Yes.
This is the first time you're singing in public.
I sing public, probably choir, just backing up people, but I never got to the position of leading.
You are used to backing up.
Used to backing up, yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you have a YouTube channel?
Not yet.
Not yet?
Yes.
But you are used to backing up.
Used to backing up.
Guys, mark that statement. I'm used to backing up people. Are we together? Guys, clap for Michelle. Angel is the MC.
Yes.
Kuja.
Thank you.
What makes you want to be an MC?
It's not actually MC, it's moderating. I love having a flow of events, understanding the guests, and not just being someone who up here. I also want to understand what makes you like being up close to you.
Okay.
Yeah.
What do you want to know about me?
I want to know, where do you get the confidence to conceptualize each and every person's story and still remain human to yourself and not attach yourself with that story?
Okay, I'll answer that. Guys, clap for Angel and Michelle. How did Angel perform, guys? Out of you, Michelle? Good. I'll make my presentation very short, okay? And I want to use the guys we have on stage as part of today's conversation. When I was invited, part of what I was told to talk about was how I've been able to move our platform to 800k subscribers. So we have a turnover of 100,000 people watching in 24 hours. Why I left to go, all those things, right? And I would want to walk you through the journey from where it started. But when you see the people who are here on stage, every one of us, I keep saying, is born with talent. See, even you when you're sitting here, you know you're talented in something. Si ndio? Ama kuna mtu ajui talent yake ni nini? It's okay. Kuna mtu ajui talent yake ni nini? Nani huyo? So we all know what our talents are. We all know what our talents are, guys. We're gonna have to talk to each other. So Reverend was here. He read to us and told us about the story of Gideon. His talent is not only to read the word, but to interpret the word, right? So, kuna mtu hapa ajui talent yake ni gani? Because we gotta start from Calligraph Jones. What? He says authenticity. Who else wanna try? Yeah. The what? What did she say?
The uniqueness of the person.
The display.
Uniqueness.
The what?
Uniqueness.
Uniqueness. Okay, beautiful. But I want to talk to you about three things that might set him apart. Let me use calligraph. I love calligraph. There's something we call skill set. Skills. Deko is a rapper. So unasikia mwenye anaweza rap. But akikaa, mi naweza rap. Mi ni rapper wase. Mnijui mi ni rapper. Hakuna penye ataenda. Because becoming a great rapper, you have got to be able to develop your skills over and over and over again. And that's something people don't want to do, especially in this era. Unataka ukamseme mi ni rapper. Mmesikia nimedrop hiyo beat by the way. Mimi ni rapper. When ni rapper aje? You've not studied the art of rapping. You've not developed your skills. You are not committed to your talent. So, in short, you have zero discipline and you don't even have consistency.